Hello, this is Algebra 2. We are in Chapter 13, Section 1. This is page 2 of the notes. Here we have a right triangle. We need to figure out stuff. Alright, so first step is to figure out what's going on with the hypotenuse. Right, the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, remember, is the long side of the right triangle. And you do that Pythagorean theorem thing. So you square 8 and you get 64, and you square 15, you get 224. 225. You add them together, you get 289. But to figure out how long the side is, you've got to do the square root. Boom, 17. So now we know that the hypotenuse is really 17. All right. Quick reminder, sine is opposite leg over hypotenuse. So since the angle theta is over here in the bottom right corner, the opposite side is 8. The hypotenuse is 17. That's all we're supposed to find right now. Quick reminder, cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. The adjacent side to that theta angle is 15. The hypotenuse is 17. Tangent is, of course, the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. And the opposite side here is 8. The adjacent side is 15. Now for our new friends. The cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. That's the cho part of Choshika. So we're talking about 17 over 8. The secant, that's the sha part. So it's the hypotenuse divided by adjacent. And so there we're talking about, let's see here, hypotenuse 17, adjacent 15, and we're done. And then cotangent, the cow is adjacent over opposite. So 15 over 8. Boom, that's it for example 1. So let's move on to the bottom of the page here. We've got a big old box about special triangles. In your geometry class, they made a big deal about isosceles right triangles, 45, 45, 90 triangles, and then also 30, 60, 90 triangles. Good times. If you look at a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the tangent of the 30 degrees ends up being root 3 over 3. If you look at a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the cosine of a 45 degree angle, the cosine is root 2 over 2. That's the same as the sine. And if you look at a 60 degree angle, the sine ends up being root 3 over 2. Now, there are fun reasons why, and you can draw triangles about it, and we can talk about it in class, and perhaps we will. But at the end of the day, this just may be something you need to memorize. Our new friends, cho, sha, and cow, cosecant, secant, and cotangent, are the reciprocals. So for cotangent, 30 degrees, it's the reciprocal of root 3 over 3. It's root 3. For secant of 45 degrees, it's the reciprocal of root 2 over 2, so it's root 2. For cosecant of 60 degrees, it's the reciprocal of root 3 over 2. That one's a little more tedious to figure out, but it ends up being 2 root 3 over 3. That's it for these boxes. Keep these boxes, this last bit here, somewhere that's easily accessible. You may need this information in order to complete your assignments. But that's also it for page 2. Thank you for watching.